Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Capture the exact error text, time, and what changed right before it happened. Once done, gather relevant logs, config files, and a short list of recent changes to narrow the cause quickly. Make sure to reproduce the issue in a safe test environment so you can iterate without risk. This first step reduces guesswork and prepares you to prioritize fixes based on reproducible evidence rather than assumptions. You now dig into diagnosis by isolating variables. Use a binary search mindset and roll back half of the recent changes to see if the error disappears. While doing that, run targeted diagnostics and monitor 1 to 3 key metrics like CPU, memory, and error rate to spot correlations. Make sure to correlate log timestamps with user actions and system events to find causal links. This focused approach helps you move from broad suspicion to a specific failing component quickly, and you implement the minimal safe fix that addresses the diagnosed cause and document exactly what you changed and why. Once implemented, verify in test, promote to staging, and only then deploy to production while keeping a clear rollback plan. Make sure to monitor the same key metrics and user flows to confirm resolution. If things go wrong, one troubleshooting tip: preserve logs and system snapshots before major changes so you can revert or replay the issue for deeper analysis without losing context.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.